Welcome to our What's New 2020 series. I'm Miles Brining and I'll be taking you through the updates for the simulation user interface. Companies like Omax rely on simulation in their design process. With SOLIDWORKS 2020, use Shift-C to collapse a tree and take control of the Simulation Feature Manager. The new Simulation Evaluator provides a single resource to review important details of your setup. You can quickly verify where results have been written and ensure you have enough resources. Simulation results from other locations can easily be reattached. Additionally, you can review assigned materials and even compare the simulation mesh volume with the part volume to ensure a high quality. This quick simulation sanity check gives you the important details you need to achieve the best results. Finally, with 2020, any study can be deleted without loading results, saving time removing unwanted data. In summary, we can use the Shift-C to collapse the tree, use the Simulation Evaluator, or delete the study without loading it. SOLIDWORKS 2020, simulation setups made faster.